Hi, today I'm going to talk about how to use ChatGPT on the computer. So first, you can go to chat.openai.com, and this would redirect you to a login page. So if you haven't created an OpenAI account yet, you can go to the sign up page and follow directions there to continue. So once you've had an account and you've logged in, it will redirect you to this homepage for ChatGPT. So basically, ChatGPT is a chatbot that has a wide range of knowledge, and it also remembers what the user said earlier in the conversation and allows the user to provide follow-up corrections. It's also trained to decline inappropriate requests. However, ChatGPT may occasionally generate incorrect information, and it has limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. But you can give ChatGPT prompts, and you do that by sending a message, by typing a message and sending it here. For example, we can see there are some examples here, and you can say, got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday? And then you just click enter, or you can click this button here, and it will start generating an answer using casual speech in like a conversation style. So it's giving us some of these answers, some ideas, like scavenger hunt, DIY crafts, themed parties, movie night, etc. And so these are just like its response to your prompt. You can also say something like, for example, you want to do a baking party, and you can say, if I want to host a baking party, what can we bake? And then it can do this follow-up question based on what it sees from your first prompt, and then it will give you more ideas and suggestions. Like, so it says, hosting a baking party is a great idea. Here are some delicious and easy to make treats that you and your guests could bake together. And it gives you ideas for baking. And you can also, when you're done with this conversation, you can also add a new chat. So it saves your chat history. It saves what you ask and its answers. And then when you click a new chat, it restarts, but you can see it's still saved here. And if you ask something else, like, what's biology? And then it gives an explanation. So the cool thing about ChatGPT is that it gives you instant summaries of information, and it's always precise and clear. So you don't have to read a whole paragraph, like a whole page of information. It just gives you a summary. So you can see this new chat is here, and you can also go to the previous chat and then the new chat. So if you click this button, it's the edit button. So if you want to change the name of this conversation, you can just change it. Like, I want to change it to biology, and then it just changes like that for, yeah. You can also delete a chat. Like, you can click the delete button, and it will ask you to confirm whether or not you want to delete it. And so confirm, delete the chat. And then this is your previous chat. So there's also something called Upgrade to Plus. That's if you want a faster version of ChatGPT, but you have to pay for that. This is the basic version. I think it's pretty good. So look, in the chat, I ask the question, a prompt, and then it gives me an answer. Here you can do some other things. For example, if you want to change the prompt, you can click this button here. You just hover and it appears. You click it, and then you can change it. If I want to host, for example, a dance party, since it gave this suggestion here. If I want to host a dance party, what songs should I play? And then save and submit, and it will regenerate. Yeah, so it gave us ideas for dance party songs. And here you can see this thing has appeared. This is prompt 2 out of 2 because you can go to the previous prompt by clicking these buttons, just switching between these. Yeah. And when it gives you an answer, you can say regenerate response. That just resubmits your prompt to ChatGPT, and then it will regenerate what it says. So this is the second generation. So there's also this thing here. If you click the back button, it will go to the first response it gave you. And then it asks for feedback if you want to submit that. You can also click the clipboard button, and that just copies it to clipboard so you can paste this text somewhere else. And you can also submit feedback, other feedback, like if it was good or bad, and then you can do good, and then you could provide additional feedback, and you can say, very useful, thank you, and then submit feedback. So that's just the way you can submit something for the company OpenAI to improve or to know your comments on ChatGPT. So yeah, that's basically it for ChatGPT. It's really entertaining, and I think it's fun to use. It's sort of like an online companion. Yeah, thank you.